Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And I'm going to just go ahead and get rid of this red line here. It served its, it's still in play completely, but just from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines and clutter all over the place. And there's just a much more kind of cleaner way to look at this as far as resistances are concerned. And the cleaner way is just to watch that purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. Talked about that in past videos. And this is just a very foundational rule in charting that is currently in play. That rule states that when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And again, that's exactly what's playing out here. So you can see right there, it was support, but then the price broke below it. So at that point, you would expect it to act as resistance. And that's exactly what's happened several times here throughout the course of the day. Price is really just struggling with that purple line, currently valued at 207. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that the price can never, ever get up above 207. I'm just saying it makes perfect sense from a technical chart point of view why the price is struggling right around that 207 mark, because that, again, is where that former area of support and the 50-period moving average is. So if you haven't kind of connected those dots, though, 207, definitely public enemy number one going forward in that key area of resistance. As far as levels of support are concerned, nothing new here to report from the video I did on Tuesday. Main level still remains that pink line right there, which on my chart represents the very famous 200-period moving average, and that is currently valued at $1.93. If $1.93 doesn't hold up, the next key level would be down there around the $1.85 mark. But as of right now, the price isn't even close to, testing the 200-period moving average. So if anything, you got to give the advantage and think that maybe a breakout is happening more than anything else, just because for the simple reasoning that the price only has to travel that far to get the breakout, whereas as far as a breakdown, the price has got to go that much further just to get down to that level. So we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, no doubt about it, that 50-period moving average, certainly public enemy number one. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.